is usually said that success repairs all. But in case of off-screen diva and on-screen munni, the case seems to be just the opposite. Many a times in the past, rumors of rift between Malaika and husband Arbaz Khan have done the rounds. But with the success of their joint production blockbuster Dabangg, everyone around guessed that the happy times were back. Well, it seems that the happy days didn't manage to last long enough to make things better between the two, for the news of Malaika having cheated on Arbaz has taken the nation by storm today. A leading gossip tabloid reported on this snazzy news by way of making their readers guess who's who for an answer. Result? The news of Malaika cheating on her husband Arbaz with a much younger and now talked about star kid Arjun Kapoor. Eldest son of Bonnie Kapoor from his previous marriage, Arjun was a close family friend of the Khans, and as suggested by the tabloid, he had also dated Arbaz's younger sister Arpita, at the time of which he had also come very close to Salman. It was Salman Khan who had instilled the importance of health and fitness in Arjun, thanks to which the lad went on to losing oodles of weight and has now backed a film with the very prestigious YRF banner. It is said that at the time when there was nothing but a long-lasting lull in the marital lives of Malaika and Arbaz, the lady got pretty close to Arjun, and the same has lasted even post the arrival and departure of Dabangg, until recently when Malaika was found in an intoxicated state at the Kapoor's residence, followed by Arbaz being summoned, who took his wife away in a huff. Post this, Arjun has also been banned to come anywhere near the Khandan, with Malaika receiving heavy dose of counselling from the elders and well-wishers. Well, we don't know how much truth does the tabloid story hold. But in case this starry family too plans to sue them for carrying a fake story or not, you can be tuned in right here for further follow-ups. This is Dipti Ranglani for Rajshri.com.